Hey everyone, I'm Ben from the Academy of Geekery, and today I'm back doing another programming tutorial. Today I'm starting off a new series which I call the Starting From Scratch series, and basically in this series we're going to be starting off with an easy language and moving through into harder languages all the way up to Java, and maybe we might do a little bit of iOS programming towards the end. I don't know. But today we're starting off with a simple language called Windows Batch, and I'm sorry Mac users, you can't use this language. As it says in the name, it is Windows only. But anyway, start off, I'm using Notepad++, which is a really awesome program. And basically you can use tons and tons of languages in Notepad++. So definitely download that if you don't have it already. I'll put the link in the description for that. But cracking on, to start off with what we're going to do, we're going to go to language, and we're going to go down to batch, because that's the language we're doing. Okay, now we're going to start our programming. Now we're going to write a very simple Hello World program today, nothing complex at all. So to start off, go @echo off. Now I'll explain what this does in a future episode. It's quite complex, so just jump down under that. We're going to go CLS, and CLS means clear the screen. So basically that'll clear off anything that function there does, which is exactly what we want. Now under here, we're going to go echo. Now, we've already put echo up there, but that does something else. Echo here basically prints whatever we do after it. Like in my Java tutorials, it's system.out.println and then some brackets and things. But it's just echo and then whatever you want to say after this. So after this, we're going to put hello world. And then jump down, we are going to put pause. Now, the pause function basically puts a breakpoint into your application. It's basically a stop point where when you get to that point, the program will stop and nothing will happen after that. And the pause function also brings up a message on the screen that says press any key to continue. So what we'll do is we'll press a key and it will close the application because there is no code after there. So now we're going to click save on our program. We go desktop. I'm going to save it as I can't even spell. Hello world .bat, but it already has .bat since I'm using Notepad++. But if you're using Notepad, just normal plain old Notepad, I'm pretty sure I didn't mention that, but you can use plain old Notepad to do this. But when you save it, you have to save it as .bat, not .txt. So I'm going to call it Hello World, click save. I'm going to minimize this. Now, where are you? Let's find this thing. There it is. Hello World. And we have this box come up. It says Hello World, press any key to continue. And we drop that down now. Move this out of the way so I can get to my note. Okay. So basically, that is what we've done so far. Now, we're not going to do too much in this episode. It is going to be reasonably short, but we are going to kind of make it look a bit neater. Now, echo dot is a function that won't print out a dot like is what it looks like. Echo dot pretty much just leaves a blank line. So now if we save this, and that shouldn't, we need to close this because this is old. Need to open back up to our desktop and go down to wherever it is. Where? Let's see. Hello World. Hello World, and see, it looks nice and neat now, so it's not all messy. That looks a lot better. So that is all I reckon I got time for in this episode. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and if you really enjoyed, subscribe to the Academy of Geekery.